A local attorney appeared in a Preble County courtroom today not to represent a client, but to face charges of stealing more than $200,000 from the elderly and disabled. Wale Aliu was there and shows us how this turned into a quick justice.
James Thomas Jr. pleaded no contest here at Preble County Common Pleas Court this morning to 3 counts of theft from an elderly or disabled person and 3 counts of falsification. 38-year-old James Thomas Jr. has stood before a judge many times before, but never like this. Rocking back and forth, clenching his wrist, the lawyer appeared visibly shaken, knowing he could face almost 5 years in prison.
Do you understand that if you enter a plea of no contest, that you are giving up your right to a trial by a jury?
Since 2007, Thomas has been in charge of guarding the accounts of 4 Preble County residents between the ages of 41 and 72. The Attorney General's Bureau of Criminal Investigation found he abused that role, stealing more than $208,000 from the victims. Attorney General Mike DeWine said about Thomas, quote, he regularly used their bank accounts as his personal ATM, end quote.
It's surprising people would even give a law degree to somebody like that. I mean, you wouldn't expect that from a lawyer or anything like that. I mean, it's not my place to judge, but that's terrible.
After Thomas pleaded no contest, Judge Neal Bronson found him guilty of all 6 charges. Still, some people felt the need to come to Thomas's defense.
I was somewhat shocked by it because he does do so much for free that I can't imagine that he would do anything that would jeopardize anybody's money, because sometimes he won't take money at all for a case.
James Thomas Jr. will be back here in court on June 17th for his sentencing. In Preble County, Wale Aliu, ABC 22 News.
Now, the Attorney General's office says the 2 most important things you can do to protect yourself are to hold on to your receipts and regularly check your bank account statements. We've listed more tips on how to protect yourself and your family from fraud on our website. Just go to abc22now.com.